T-Bird. Excuse me. Red! Ah, leg, dead, dead. Nice. Red! Arm dead. Woo! Red! Red! Skinny, leg. Single. 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 Sorry, dead. Red, leg, dead. Good shot. I think that was 4. Red! But, you got it. Nice. Red, leg again. I didn't go down fast enough, I was dead. Fuck. I am tired. Red, nothing, dead. No, you got it right here.
You got leg on the last thing.
Nice. Red, arm dead. Gotta get those returns. Can't linger. Red, hey, leg, arm dead. I think 2 more.
Yeah.
Hey, arm dead. Damn it, casting. Not fun, not with a 6-foot weapon. 1 more. Let's make it happen. Red, arm dead.
Shield and then got my leg on this.
Sweet. All right, let's go to the interview portion. All right, we're live. Sweet. I'm dying. Oh.
Don't die.
I won't literally die, I hope. I'm not gonna wood. All right, T-Bird. You just went 10 rounds with Quinn. First question for you. Do you have any tips for me to improve as a fighter?
I think just getting back into your stance after your first initial red stance. Like you swung and then your return was a little off. I mean, I don't fight much with red, but I would think with your step back and your return, get ready for that shot coming in. And then maybe either be aggressive or keep backing until you can get another red stance.
Makes total sense. All right, second question. What was going through your mind as we fought? So talk to me about your mental processes.
I was just kind of thinking like, red user, I gotta close the distance. I gotta make sure I can't throw that many wraps. You have the back shield on. You had a back shield on, right?
Yeah.
So I was just worried about closing the distance and not letting you get too many hits on my shield or legging me in the process. So that was what was going through my mind.
Excellent. All right, last question for you. What are you working on as a fighter over the next, say, 3 to 6 months?
Right now, currently I got teased by my unit for using omnis too much, like at the practice field, and so they put me back on the pound blades, and are trying to get me to improve that way, just to get my muscle memory back up and my timing up again.
Excellent. All right, those are all my questions. Thanks for going 10 rounds with Quinn.